Welcome to day one of Mind Body Mat. Today we're going to work on the basic level of Pilates. So we're going to work on our foundation. We're going to work on breath, belly engagement, and really feel what our spine is doing in space. So I want you to take this 15 minutes to fully be present and fully take this time for you, because it's such a treat to be able to do that. Now, if you're new to Pilates, that's great. Just sort of go through this, listen to your body. Whatever doesn't feel right, just modify or do what feels right, and take breaks when you need to. And for those that have been doing Pilates for a while, it's always good to go back to the basics. So have fun with this, really fine-tune your practice, and let's get started. Sit on top of your sitting bones nice and tall. As you press your sitting bones into the ground, I want you to lift the crown of your head up to the ceiling. Place your hands on your shins and use your hands to help you lift taller. I want you to think about your spine, the skeletal spine, the bones of your spine. So think about those little vertebrae. And I want you to try to pull the vertebrae one up on top of the other. And try to create space between those vertebrae. The more that you do Pilates, the easier this is going to be. And if you feel like you're rounded forward a lot, this is really good for you. So really nice and tall. As your tailbone reaches down, I want you to keep reaching the crown of your head up. Take an inhale in through the nose. Exhale out through the mouth. Do that 2 more times. Maybe grow taller on this last breath. And then start to curl your tailbone back. As it curls back, scoop your belly and feel that stretch and C-curve in the spine. And then come right back up. Do that 3 more times. Roll it back. And come on up. One more. Now reach your arms forward and let's try to do it without arms. Roll back. Inhale up. You can start going further back if you want. You have 2 more. And now let's go all the way back. Bend your legs and squeeze your thighs together. I want you to curl your chest up now. Notice, have you tucked your tailbone? Try to keep your tailbone and pelvis neutral. Roll it down. Exhale up. Inhale down. Now you're trying to lift your spine up and over. So keep that energy out of the crown of your head as you pull your chest forward towards your thighs. 1 more time. And roll it down. From here, take your legs a little bit wider, and we're going to roll our pelvis up. Get your feet situated so they're comfortable. Get all 4 points of your foot to have weight, and then roll it down. Now in Pilates, it's not about how high you go, but really keeping your spine neutral. What do I mean by that? Hold yourself up here. Make sure your hips don't go above your knees, or else you're going to arch through that low back. Keep your hip bones below your knees, your shoulders below your hips. So now you're one long line in shoulders, hips, knees. Roll it down. Give me 3 more. I want you to feel as if your knees are pushing beyond your toes. And again, you're trying to create space between your vertebrae. One more time. Keep that heart heavy. Don't let it lift. And bring it down. Take one leg up to tabletop and then drop it back down. Other side up and lower. Now notice if your pelvis is moving, we want to really hold it stable. Notice when you lower your leg, that's when I really want you to get the back of your pelvis heavy and your belly engaged. One more each side. One more. Now take one leg up to tabletop. Maintain it as you pull the other leg up. Now notice, did your back arch up? Try it again. Lower down. Bring one leg up. Keep your neutral alignment and pull the other leg up. Lower back down and try it one more time. Engage, scoop, one leg. Hold right there. We'll do our toe taps here. We're going to lower and pull up. Inhale, exhale. Trying not to pooch the belly or to lift the low back. One more each side. Now squeeze your thighs together and turn your palms up so they're in a low V. Take your knees over to one side. Allow your shoulders to stay where they are and pull back up to center. Other side. Inhale, exhale. Keep squeezing your thighs together as you twist at the waistline. One more each side. Inhale, exhale. Now stay right here. Bring your arms down by your sides and draw your right knee in. Lift your head, neck, and shoulders. Stretch your other leg long. Now really pull this thigh in as the other leg reaches. You're scooping your belly and you're pulling your chin towards your belly button. Maintain that and hold it. If you ever have neck tension, just drop your head. Now we're going to scoop and switch. Scoop and switch. 7, 6, good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stay right there. Take your hands behind your head. Keep pulling your chest forward. We're going to rotate towards that knee and then switch. Good. Shoulder to knee. For 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hug it in. Roll yourself up. From here, scoot to the forward part of your mat, to the front part of your mat, and come up on your tippy toes. And then just kind of let your head roll into your knees. We're going to come off our butt bones and let our toes just sort of lift off the mat. Hug into your knees and feel that scoop of your body. Relax your shoulders. Now from here, I just want you to let your weight roll back, roll forward without touching the toes to the mat. Inhale, exhale. Keep your head between your knees. 3 more. 2. 1 more. And then just let the feet drop. Good. Let's turn to our stomach. Take your hands by your sides and let your legs come slightly apart. Pull your shoulders back, rest your pelvis down. We're going to start to reach out of our crown of our head as we lift the chest. Now, you want to create space between your vertebrae, right? So push your tailbone one direction and the crown of your head in the other. Exhale down. 3 more. Reach that tailbone away from your head. 2 more. Feel your heart push through your ribs. Last one. Now I want you to do the same thing and let the hands lift with you so you won't come as high. Inhale. Exhale. 3 more. One more. Now I want you to go up, hold it, and then stretch your arms out to the sides. Hold right there and keep lifting the chest, stretching the tailbone and the head away from each other. Bend it back in, lower it down. Lift it up, stretch it out, stay where you are, feel that length in your spine, bend in and lower. Lift, reach, bend, down. One more. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Good. Push yourself back, hip to heels. Come to center. We're just going to come to hands and knees with a nice straight back. So I want your tailbone reaching one direction, the crown of your head in the other. Pull your belly in. And from here, let's just tuck the tail, scoop the belly. Feel your pubic bone and your forehead go towards each other. And then articulate the other way. And the tailbone and the back of the head will go towards each other as you stretch the spine long. Come to center and tuck. Open. One more time. And open. Come to center and scoot it back. Good. Now we're going to sit with some mermaid legs, one leg in front of the other. Nice little rotation in the hips, and sit up nice and tall. Bring one arm up by your ear and really feel the tailbone down, crown of your head up, and you're going to lean over until your hand rests. So feel that long diagonal up your spine, and start to bend your bottom elbow as you stretch longer through your vertebrae, and then pull that bicep by your ear to stretch deeper. Your opposite hip is trying to pull down, like your tailbone is reaching down. Crown of your head is reaching in opposition. Good. We're going to come up, switch the other way. Okay, try two more. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Stay over here and just rotate your chest for a little rotation there. And come on up, other side. Feeling a nice long spine. Good. Arm by the ear and just take it over into a diagonal. And start to reach as you bend your bottom elbow. Feel your spine. So your tailbone's down, crown of your head in opposition, and then stretch it over. You can pull your bicep by your ear if that feels okay. Come on up and over, and stretch the other way. You're not collapsing into it, you're stretching long. Again, inhale. Exhale. Good, one more. And from here, just rotate and come through center, crisscross those legs. Good. Sitting up nice and tall, let's just scoop your belly back. And then bring it back up. Good, let's look over one shoulder. And then over the other way. And come to center. Give me a nice giant inhale all together. Pull your palms together. We're going to pull our energy together. Inhale that, and then exhale as you smile. Heart center. Good job today. Really great work. Today's mindful mission is I want you to clear out some space somewhere in your house just for you. It could be a corner of the room. It can be a full room if you have the space. It could be a countertop. Whatever it is, this space is only for you. And I want you to put things in there that are going to really fill up your soul, that are going to allow you to take some quiet time. Because one of our mindful tasks along the week is going to be to take some reflective time, and I want it to be in this space. So I want this space to be someplace that you love being, that calms you, that really fills you up. So for me, I have my favorite journal along with my oils diffuser. I have a little meditation pillow and a little stool, and it's a little corner of the room. That's all I have, but that's where that space is sacred to me. It's my space, and that's where I take time to turn off and just be with myself. So I want you to find some space that you can clear out just for you, and that's your mission for today. Okay? Take care.